I really enjoyed shooting this house from a photography point of view. As I started framing each shot, I could feel how well the interiors were planned. The design flows smoothly from one corner to another, which made it easy and satisfying to capture. The house has one clear theme, so no matter where I stood with my camera, the look and feel stayed the same. It gave a calm and pleasant vibe in every frame. This made the visual look neat and connected. What I loved the most was each angle, different elements came into the frame. From one corner, I could see some design details, and from another corner, I got a completely new mixture of elements. This changed in view made each shot feel and unique. Every frame felt natural and well balanced. The lights, colors, and layout worked perfectly for the camera. It was a smooth and enjoyable shoot, and the photos and videos are clearly shown the beauty of the interior design.